Every child is absolutely worth it. We've got early childhood educators here today, we've got MPs here today who are signing a pledge around restoring 100% qualified registered teachers into the early childhood settings. Every child is worth it, that's the name of the campaign.
I well remember the day that we signed that pledge. It wasn't far from here that we did so.
We are reinstating a higher funding rate for early learning services that employ fully qualified and registered teachers. The 100% funding ban for teacher-led early childhood education services was scrapped by the previous government in 2010. We've brought it back in Budget 2020.
Today's announcement to restore the 100% funding ban for teacher-led early childhood services that are offering the highest quality of education by ensuring that all of their teachers are fully trained and registered will certainly help us to achieve that goal.
This has been a hard-fought win, and I think such a good sign of what happens when we all stick together and campaign for things. It's an absolute great announcement. We are so pleased, not just because of the recognition of the hard work of those people that campaigned, but for the positive impact that it is going to have on tamariki out there.